Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. In my last video recipe, I showed you guys how to make my teriyaki chicken breast, and today I'm going to be using that chicken recipe for my Asian chicken salad. This salad is so incredibly delicious, has so many incredible ingredients and textures and flavors. We're going to be using 3 different types of cabbage and lettuce. I have Napa cabbage, red cabbage, and romaine lettuce, and then I have so many incredible ingredients here like edamame beans and carrots and mandarins and almonds, and we're going to dress the salad with an easy homemade sesame seed dressing. You guys are going to love this salad. It's super easy to make, and this classic recipe just never gets old. Let me show you just how easy it is to make. And I'm going to get this recipe started with the lettuce and the cabbage first. So we're going to use about half a head of red cabbage. So I'm going to split it down the middle, and I'll keep the second half in my refrigerator for a different recipe. And then you'll want to grab a nice and sharp knife and carefully shred the cabbage into thin slices. And then I'm going to transfer my cabbage into an extra large mixing bowl. I just want to make sure I have enough space to really toss all the ingredients together. And next up we have our lettuce. I rinse my lettuce leaves, and I'm just going to layer them nicely and chop them into thin strips. And now for my Napa cabbage, I'm going to first split the cabbage in half. Now we're not going to use a full head of this cabbage either. Set that aside. And I'm just going to thinly slice this one as well. And now that we have our cabbage and lettuce all chopped up, we're ready to add all our salad fillings. So first I'm going to add in 2 large grated carrots. Drop those right in. 3 chopped green onions. About a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. A 1/4 cup of sliced almonds. I have about 1 cup of canned mandarin slices. I just drained all the juices. And about 1 cup of steamed or cooked edamame beans. These are just cleaned out of their shells. Drop those in as well. And check out this gorgeous bowl of salad. Look how colorful and amazing this looks. It's going to be so delicious. Feel free to add some of your favorite salad toppings like cucumbers, maybe some bean sprouts, even cauliflower or broccoli. I also really like this salad with avocado. I just like to slice it up and add it on top as well. And now let's make our super easy sesame seed dressing. So the base of it, I have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. To that I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and if you want your dressing to be a little bit sweeter, you can add more. And then here I have 1 pressed garlic clove, and I have just a little bit of some pureed ginger. It's going to add so much incredible flavor. And I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Just sprinkle those right in. Grab a whisk and mix the salad dressing together. And that is it. It's super simple, and it's going to taste so incredible with the salad. And I'm going to pour my prepared salad dressing over the top. And then grab 2 large spoons and mix everything together. So you want to dig in from the bottom of the mixing bowl to make sure you get all that lettuce and cabbage and toss everything together. This looks so colorful and it smells so good. And now that we have this delicious salad already, I'm going to plate it up and add our chicken. So just scoop in a nice heaping amount of the salad. Oops, get in the bowl. All right, scoop it into a nice and large bowl. And before I add my chicken, I'm going to sprinkle some of these wonton crisps over the top. I like to keep them a little separate from the salad so they stay nice and crispy. And then I'm going to top the salad with my sliced teriyaki chicken breast and just gently fan it out. I mean, how good does this look? It's going to be so, so delicious. And that's it, guys, for my easy Asian chicken salad recipe. I love how it turned out. It looks so colorful. Love the little splashes of orange and purple in there. And then that chicken on top is just so incredibly delicious. Now, I have a separate video recipe for the teriyaki chicken breast. I just released it a few days ago. I'll include the link down in the video description box below, along with the full recipe for this salad. So make sure to check those out. And now it's time to dig in and enjoy. I'm going to grab a little bit of this chicken. And of course, some salad. I love the little crispy bits on top, but if you want them to stay crispy, make sure to add them on top so they don't get all soggy from the dressing. Going to get a little bit of some mandarin. This salad is so incredibly delicious. You guys are going to be blown away from the very first bite. The flavors and the textures and everything just combines together so well. It's just like this beautiful symphony in your mouth. I love that sesame seed dressing. It really brings everything together and ties in that teriyaki chicken that we have on top. The chicken is just so incredibly juicy. And then you have the crunchy wontons, the sweet mandarins, the edamame, the lettuce. It all comes together for one incredible dish. If you guys are looking for the best version of the classic Asian chicken salad, this recipe is for you. It is so incredibly delicious, so aromatic, so much going on in there. You guys are going to love it. For the full recipe, don't forget to head on down in the video description box. I hope you guys enjoy this salad at home as much as I do, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.